baby, what are you doing?
I'm cooking.
What you cooking?
More.
Okay, we're going to put in the milk. Careful so we don't
Stir,
spill.
baby, stir.
Stir it. Gotta stir it. Beat it up. It's called beating. You're going to beat it means you just go
Not too fast.
That one you can do a little bit fast. And we need the oil. Okay, stir it. And the vanilla extract. It's getting on the table. Smell it.
Yummy. It's chocolate.
So we're stirring all the liquid ingredients.
It's gonna be chocolate. I see the chocolate.
Well, it's vanilla and it has a little bit of a color.
You like chocolate?
Yeah, chocolate money. And chocolate cookies. And chocolate ice cream.
Okay, now we make a well, which means we kind of make a hole into the dry ingredients. And you pour.
And it's got spots on it too.
Okay, pour in the liquid ingredients.
And you?
Yep. And now we blend them together. We mix and blend, and look, it changes the consistency of it now.
Yeah.
It's getting a little bit.
Hey, it looks like hummus. It looks like hummus, Dad.
Hummus.
Hummus?
Yeah.
It does look like hummus. You like hummus?
And cranberries and hummus too. They look like green.
So what are the ingredients in our muffins so far?
Like blueberries and...
No, we didn't put blueberries.
Yeah, see, they look like...
Yeah, but what are they?
Alright, you stir, baby. Mommy's gonna go take care of the baby.
Okay, now I'm going to turn
Say it again.
Cheese.
No, what does Dora say?
Chocolate. Chocolate.
Yay.
I'm not done yet.
You like cooking with Mommy?
Yeah.
Okay.
You have an apron? Show me your apron.
No.